President Emmerson Mnangagwa has stopped the export of raw lithium ore with immediate effect, as dealers are scrambling to mine and move the mineral before the set deadline, in what the government describes as regrettable. Sarabina mashoko budanyogo pangwa na chinzi ED in bold lithium ore export ban says it can't wait for 2027 its planned continues. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tibinam ZFM Studio News one Chiti. The government recently announced through Mines Minister Paulette Gambamura its intentions to implement a total ban on the export of raw lithium ore and concentrates effective in 2027. This measure, the government says, was designed to allow for an orderly transition towards domestic beneficiation, ensuring that the nation fully benefits from its mineral wealth through local value addition. Regrettably, in the period following that announcement, we witnessed an unprecedented and unacceptable scramble. Instead of preparing for value addition, some actors engaged in a frenzy of mining activities, seeking to extract and export as much raw lithium as possible before the deadline. Gambamura told a post-cabinet briefing on Tuesday. Disturbing reports further indicated that substantial quantities of lithium have been illicitly stockpiled in a neighboring country, depriving our nation of its rightful revenue and future industrial potential. He said the behavior amounts to nothing less than the plunder of national heritage and a direct undermining of the country's sovereignty and our collective economic future. The export of other unprocessed ores has also been stopped. Do mashuka rubuda pangwa inwe update rati tikupia muri Zimbabwe pina kuma section menu za mafumiro enyi motu kudi pamso pichit kwechi. So subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.